You lose about 1% of collagen every year after you hit the age of 35. And my knees reminded me of this every time I played tennis. Until I started taking collagen every single day for the past 60 days. And today I'll show you what changed in my joints, my workouts, and even my skin, and the science that predicts whether this will work for you. I'm Michael, a naturopathic doctor. In this video, we're going to answer 3 questions, along with talk about the main benefits of collagen. First, does collagen survive digestion and reach your joints? Which type of collagen actually works? And who should skip it and take something else? I've gone through the randomized clinical trials on collagen so you don't have to. And let's look at the main reason why I started taking collagen a couple of months ago. The main reason I started taking collagen was for my joint pain. My knees were causing me issues after playing tennis, and also my fingers and hands were aching from too much typing. So this was affecting both my ability to work and play. And after reviewing clinical trials and seeing the results that collagen helped with arthritic knees by reducing pain by 15%, I thought it's time to give it a try. And by the 6-week mark, I'd noticed that my pain had significantly dropped, especially in my hands. They don't hurt at all. So if your joints are your main goal, you want to go for at least 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen type 2 every day for 12 weeks. And then reassess and see if it's working for you. Add a little bit of vitamin C, because vitamin C is essential for collagen production, because it acts as a cofactor for the enzymes that help stabilize and cross-link the collagen fibers, making them strong and functional. Without enough vitamin C, the body cannot properly maintain healthy collagen levels. This can lead to weaker collagen and weaker connective tissues. Number 2 reason is muscle recovery. And this one's similar to the first benefit, and it will help you with post-exercise muscle recovery, which means you can get back to training quicker. This is coming in handy as I've signed up to run my first marathon this year, and probably my last. So I'm running a lot more than I normally would, but my knees and my muscles are not complaining like they were. And I'm feeling better and better the more training I do. Research shows that by combining type 2 collagen peptides with training over a 12-week period, significantly improved recovery. This helped with both maximal explosive and reactive strength. And the research backs up the way I feel. So add 15 grams of your usual protein shake and take it right after lifting or running. Remember, collagen is low in an amino acid called leucine, which is important for recovery. So you don't want to take it instead of your normal protein drink, but in addition to your actual protein shake. And this will help with the muscle building effects of the other proteins. Benefit number 3 is bone density. And this one's hard to see the results after 60 days. But collagen can have long-term benefits on bone density. Now, after breaking my arm a couple of years ago and getting a DEXA scan, and while it wasn't showing osteoporosis or osteopenia, it was below what I expected. So I'm really trying to build up my bone density. And I'm doing this by doing weight training, but adding collagen can also help. So my next DEXA scan in a couple of years, I want to see improvements from the previous one. And research shows that when postmenopausal women take just 5 grams of collagen a day, it improved lumbar spine bone density by 8%, while the placebo group actually lost bone density. And so it's easy to add 5 grams of collagen to a coffee, protein shake, and just be consistent. And it's not a replacement for lifting. You still need to lift heavy weights 2 or 3 times a week. And this will give you the maximum benefits for bone density. And if you also want the muscle benefits, you still need those extra whey protein isolate or whey protein concentrate. Benefit number 4 is skin. And this is something I really wasn't focusing on, but it has the best research for collagen. Even though my skin could improve a lot because it's been dry and a bit blotchy lately. And I'm only at week 8 now, or 60 days, but I've noticed that my cheeks, which sometimes would get red and blotchy, are less blotchy, and I'm not getting as dry skin like I used to. And research shows that taking collagen for 3 months can really help with skin health, especially the type 1 collagen. So it was type 2 for joints and muscle recovery, type 1 and type 3 for skin. So the research shows that supplemental collagen survives digestion and can be utilized by the body. So what is the best type of collagen to buy? Well, there are a number of different options out there. There's also 3 different types of collagen, type 1, 2, and 3. Type 1 collagen is the most abundant, and that's about 90% of your body's collagen. It's found in the skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue. And this provides strength and structure. This is the one you want if you're looking for that anti-aging skin benefits. Type 2 collagen is mainly found in the cartilage, and this is better for supporting the joints and muscle recovery. In type 3, it's mainly found in the skin, and it works alongside type 1, maintain that skin elasticity, and also helps support the structure of the muscles and organs. The best option is to get a multi-collagen product like this that has all three types in it. And this will be sold under the names of multi-collagen, full spectrum, or type 1, 2, and 3 on the packaging. This one here just says complete collagen. You also need vitamin C for the collagen to work effectively. Some formulas will have this included, but if not, just take 500 milligrams of vitamin C around the same time you take collagen. So who does not need collagen? Well, if you're under 30, your body is probably still making enough of its own. Unless you're doing high intensity training, running marathons, or recovering from some type of tendon injury, you probably don't need supplemental collagen. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you probably would benefit from collagen, but this comes from animals, so you won't be able to take collagen. You need to support collagen production by taking amino acids and vitamin C to help your own body make it. If you have gout or high uric acid, the collagen can add extra purines. That may lead to a gout flare-up, so be careful there. And if your goal is simply getting bigger muscles, then collagen's an incomplete protein, and so you're way better off taking a whey protein concentrate or isolate. Collagen's not a magic powder. It's not going to fix everything. I see lots of people getting benefits, and the research is promising, and even though there's some good evidence showing that it works, the mechanism is not entirely clear. The best option is to try some collagen for 2 to 3 months and see if you notice the difference. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried collagen and it's helped you, or if not. And even if it didn't work, maybe you were taking the wrong type of collagen. If you're after the joint effects, you may have had type 1 and 3. Collagen also contains amino acids that help to form creatine, and creatine is also important for performance. Watch this video next on the benefits of creatine.